Alrighty guys, hi, I'm Eddie V. Welcome to the channel. Hit the subscribe button, and in today's video I am going to show you guys where the oil pressure sensor is located on the Volvo D16 engine. Alright guys, so here is the oil pressure sensor location. Hey guys, so now that I show you where the sensor location is, I'm going to share a little bit of vlog of how I went about changing it. First of all guys, let's just say the truck scared me a little bit, because while I was driving to Pennsylvania and Virginia, I lost oil pressure once, and I don't know what it was. I thought it was an electronic issue. Then on my way back from Pennsylvania, again in Virginia, it happened again. And I talked to three mechanics, or not three mechanics, but I talked to some mechanics, and they told me it could be three things. It could be either the oil pressure sensor, the engine wiring harness, or the engine ECU. And in this case, it happened to be the oil pressure sensor. And I got that changed out, and so far it's been over 1,000 miles and about 1,100 miles, and no issues with me losing oil pressure. So that, if you guys have any issues of losing oil pressure on any Volvo engines, most likely is the engine oil pressure sensor. But also check your connections to the engine ECU as well. And best of luck guys. Thank you for watching this video. Guys, I'm Eddie V. 2004 turn right. This particular package, driving a 10 from the 6 Series.